Some of y'all know I grew up in a family with a father and two brothers, and really everybody sang. And I was kind of, in some ways, the black sheep, because I was always scared to do that. And I would rather just shut up, stay behind the piano. But in the last few years, God's been really working in my heart, and mainly in the area of grace. I had this conception when I was younger, all these things that I've struggled with. The older I get, the easier it's going to get, And maybe by the time I'm 40 or 50, I'll have it all mastered, But I'm learning it's harder. It's harder. The fight is harder. And the more I see the depravity of myself and my need for grace, the more my love for God grows and for Jesus. And this song is called Farther Than Your Grace Can Reach. I heard this about 15 years ago, probably about high school. And ever since then, it's just been a song that has been strong in my heart. I've always